motherfucking fool, bro.
52 pickup, shells bouncing out the missile. If them bullets hit you, know your mama finna miss you. In the trap house playing 2K with my nigga. Running through a brick like I'm shooting up a free throw. If you acting funny, I'ma press you like a Chico.
What's up, y'all? Back at it again with this week's edition of Build Breakdown. Right behind me, I got a 2016 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. And no, it did not look like this when it came to us. So let's get right into it. The car came to us for a OEM wide-body kit, which you see we installed flawlessly. As Josh will show you some detailed pictures of the fitment on this thing, the gaps are exactly how we need them. Next up, we installed a set of H&R lowering springs to get the ride height dialed in, and then Belgian hooked us up with this OG classic wheel, but they're running them in a 20x11. This wheel was supposed to be debuted at a show car for them on SEMA, which didn't make it. So right here is the world's debut of this wheel, to my knowledge. But it's a 20x11 front and back. We're running a 315 Michelin in front, 325 in the back. Fitment on it with the H&R springs, perfection. All right, let's get to the performance side of it. Customer supplied us with the leg maker intake, which we installed. Then we went ahead and installed a Ripatune lower pulley, and then Mondo built a full custom exhaust on this one. Carbon mufflers, 3-inch piping from the cat's back with a quad tip setup. Sounds good, performs good. Let's get a little soundbite of it. Shit, I don't have the key. Oh, you know what? I forgot. We actually have Ramon actually handling the keys today, so that smooth handoff. You see that? Hear that motherfucker bark. So as you know, if you want your Hellcat, Challenger, Charger, Scat Pack, RT, GT, anything to sound like this, you know where to come, SS. All right, enjoy.
Pull up in a hurricane, somebody call the FEMA. Y'all on me going 90, had to speed up. Chop on me, that bitch singing like a lift. Now she saying 40 poking out, I had no idea. Pull up in a hurricane, somebody call the FEMA. Y'all on me going 90, had to speed up. Chop on me, that bitch singing like a lift. Now she saying 40 poking out, I had no idea. I know hurricanes up in my hood, bitch, we causing earthquakes.
Josh, just so you know, at this point in time, I realized I left the mic on, but I'm not gonna turn it off. I'm just gonna go about my day. All right.